Hello and welcome to the new house and my first Christmas clean and decorate. I'm so excited. So as you can see, we are all moved in. We are skipping unpacking the new house and we are just hopping right into Christmas. I cannot wait to get the Christmas decor up this year. Normally I decorate on November 1st. However, just with the move and everything, I am not getting to it until now, but I am so excited. You can see like everything is kind of out and majority unpacked. I would say we are like 93% unpacked. And so now that I am feeling like a little bit more less stressed with trying to get the house in order and unpacked and that sort of thing, I am ready to hop into Christmas. So I'm going to be sharing number one, a Christmas tablescape with you guys today, and number two, I think I'm gonna try and set up our fake Christmas tree. We do get a real tree every single year, which won't be until December, but I just can't wait that long to set up our tree. So I'm gonna have to see if it'll fit into the new house, as it did not in our previous home. So we'll see what I end up doing with it, but stay tuned for lots of Christmas motivation and just all of the Christmas cheer. So I hope you can put me up on whatever device. Without further ado, let's get to it. We are starting off here in the dining room and we are going to be doing just a simple, cozy, minimalist Christmas tablescape. I am just getting everything cleaned before moving on through the tablescape. I, of course, am using my Christmas Bloom towels, which if you have not checked out Bloom towels yet, y'all, I have to give them a shout out. These towels are amazing. I clean with them, I dry my hands with them, I put them in the bathroom, like I use them all over my house. They are incredible, so check them out in the description box down below. So keeping things simple, I'm just using a white tablecloth, and then I have some gold rounded plates and some gold cutlery and stuff that we are going to be putting out, and again, just keeping things really simple. I also want to point out that this was for a dinner party. As a young mom with two little kids, I cannot have a tablescape throughout the entire season. And so this did come down shortly after our dinner party. I left up the garland, which you will see a little bit later, and that was it. But now my table is totally clear and clean, as again, with young kids, it's impossible to keep a tablescape. However, I think they are so beautiful, and I wanted to give you guys some inspiration if you are hosting this season and wanted to make a pretty but minimal tablescape.
Shining just for you, let's take a walk. And we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
This is the most realistic garland ever. It does have a hefty price tag. It is from Crate and Barrel, but it is so beautiful. Everybody who came to the dinner party thought it was real. And so I just wanted to point that out, and I will have everything linked down below for easy access for you if you're interested in purchasing any of these products. With that being said, I am just folding these towels into a beautiful Christmas tree to add some classic Christmas colors to the table. This is very simple to do. All you do is you need a square napkin and then you fold it. Now, I do have a YouTube short on how to actually do this, so if you are interested, make sure you check out that short. I will also have that link down below, but here you see it slowed down. Depending how minimal you wanted to keep this holiday tablescape, you could totally omit this step. I think that it looked really pretty without it as well, but this just kind of adds that extra Christmas touch, which I really liked. I don't love traditional Christmas colors in my own home. I do like it in other people's homes, but for me, I find it just gets quite busy. So I add the odd just kind of touch of red, and I think that it is really beautiful. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I'd love to know what your Christmas colors are this year. If you have a palette, here is the before and after of the Christmas tablescape. Now that the Christmas and holiday tablescape is done, I have just pulled out all of my decor. I don't normally do this, but I wanted to kind of declutter as I am going through this and setting everything out. My style has changed over the years, and so as a more of a minimalist, I am trying to just be very mindful about what I am keeping, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to kind of go through it all and declutter. So everything that was on the table was what was in this bin. There's my tree skirt. I have this little tin as well that is filled with just like some stems and whatnot. And then these I forgot to take back years ago. And so yeah, I'm not really sure if I will keep these for this year, if they will fit on our mantle or not. And then over here I have, this is our entryway wreath. I am currently out of like command hooks, and so I can't hang that up quite yet. This bin is full of our stockings and then just our ornaments. I have our tree pulled out, and then this is all of like my garlands and other like wreaths and stuff. So if you haven't seen last year's Christmas decorate, you can check out those videos. I will leave them linked down below. But obviously with the new house, things are going to be looking quite a bit different this year. And so, yeah, let's play around and see what we can come up with. So the goal this year is to do simple, cozy, and neutrals. I still haven't decided how much pops of red I'm going to do. With the tablescape, I did a very small pop of red, as I just think that those Christmas trees out of the napkins are so stinking cute. But yeah, I'm not really sure what we're gonna do with those pops of reds that I have for my decor. We'll see. So I have this little space in the hallway by our bedrooms that I thought would be really cute to just add this Merry Christmas to all sign and then a little tree.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you.
This is the same garland that I used on the table. I did purchase 2 of them. They were my splurge last year, and yeah, I think it's so beautiful. Honestly, I can't get enough of this garland. Again, it is a little bit more on the pricey side, but in my opinion, it was totally worth it. I feel like it's a timeless piece, and you can use it anywhere. You can use this on your mantle. You can use this on your stair railing. You can use it again with your tablescape, like I shared a little bit earlier on in the video. And then on the mantle here, I just wrapped these little twinkle lights on them. And I think that it just, there's something so magical about twinkle lights, and I think it just makes it so beautiful.
I have ever been, it's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated
Okay, I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna put my fake tree right here until we go and get our real tree. So we're gonna set that up. But before I do that, I wanted to share this. I haven't shared it on YouTube yet, but I wanted to share this beautiful mirror that I got from Amazon. It is so pretty. I ordered it back on Amazon Prime Day, and I originally got it for our bedroom, but our furniture is too big for this space, unfortunately, and it doesn't fit there quite yet. So for now, I just kind of have it here. I did a little poll if I should keep it like here in the living room or over in the hallway, but I just haven't moved it yet. So I don't know, I might just leave it here, maybe like throw some garland around there with like a pretty bow. I don't really know, but I freaking love it. So I thought I would share it with you guys. Highly recommend it. It is the 71 by 31 inch mirror. It's also available in gold. So I will link it down below in the description if you are interested, but I wanted to show you that before I set up the tree here. Some people get their husbands to carry their Christmas trees out of storage. Other people are like me and can't wait for their husbands to get home. Like this is really big. I haven't set this tree up in literally years. Like 5 years. That's the middle. Is that the bottom? Okay, let's try this then. What a mission that was to set up this tree. Oh my goodness, I knew something was not right, and I thought I would include that footage as I was chuckling to myself and just kind of laughing. It was quite hilarious. Now that the tree is fluffed, we got this Mary pillow set out on the chair, and then another garland here on this TV area. Again, super simple, super minimal, but so far I am loving the minimalistic vibe that I have going on. We'll see what I end up doing. Stay tuned for part 2 and things that are changing around here. Bye!